This is a Wi-Fi controlled car. It can be controlled with a mobile app. I made it with Node MCU ESP8266 board. Watch the full video to learn how to make it. This is a PVC sheet. I want it as a base frame. The hole is made to take out the wires from under the frame. These are gear motors. Stick 4 gear motors under the frame. This is L293D motor driver. Connect the motors with the motor driver. Diagram link in description. Connect some jumper wires to take power from the battery and provide power to ESP8266. Connect the wheels to the motor. This is the ESP8266 module with breakout board. You can skip the breakout board and just connect to the ESP8266. I just use it for making connections easily. This is a 3S Li-ion battery, but you can use 2S also. Connect all the wires according to the diagram of description. Now the hardware part is done. To program the ESP8266 Node MCU board, connect it to the computer with a cable. Then open the code in Arduino IDE. Code link in description. Then go to Files, then Preferences, then paste the Board Manager URL of description. Then install the Board Manager. Then select Board and Port. Then hit the Upload button. Now the software part is also done. To install the controller to Play Store, search for ESP8266 car, then install the following app. After powering your car up, you can see a new ESP8266 Wi-Fi network. Connect with that. Now your car is ready to go. If you like these kinds of videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Thanks.